you looking for Victorville, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Victorville, California, or if you're just thinking about moving to Victorville, California. Check out this Victorville, California virtual open house home tour. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Victorville, California real estate agent with the Exp Realty. Okay, so this is an investor property. What you're gonna see here is some damage. I'm gonna focus on it as we're walking through. You'll see some doors that have been kicked in, punched, holes in the doors, holes in the walls, dirty carpet, animal feces on the carpet, bathrooms that look terrible. I focus on everything that's bad in the house. I don't see anything structural. Pretty much what you're gonna see here is a lot of filth. It smells pretty bad in here from both animals and humans. And you're gonna see a bit of broken stuff here and there all through the house. Carpet's all gonna need to be replaced. A lot of patch and paint and just abuse damage. It is a nice sized home. It's in a very nice neighborhood. The street is like a cul-de-sac, 4 houses down or something like that. It seems quiet, kids are playing out front and stuff, but the inside of this house has been abused by somebody who's been pretty rough on it.